New drone licensing laws have come into effect in Canada, and in this video I want to talk to you about what it means for marketers, communicators, and business owners. Stay tuned. While the technology is getting more and more accessible, which is really exciting, the Canadian government has slammed the brakes on our ability to just throw one of these up in the air. Here's what you need to know. If you want an aerial shot of your facility, factory, or office in any of your videos, your video producer will need to hire a licensed drone pilot. Now let me tell you, the licensing process is not easy, and rightfully so. It's designed to keep dum-dums out of the air. To get even your basic license, you need to learn things like Bernoulli's theorem and the aerofoil and pages of Canadian aviation regulations. It's not fun. It's the opposite of fun. With a basic license, a drone pilot can fly in uncontrolled airspace and no closer than 100 feet from people. Now, if your business is in a city or a town, odds are you're close to people and an airport. Airports are the center points of very controlled airspace, which means you will need a drone pilot with an advanced license. This means that your drone pilot will, among other things, file a NOTAM and get permission from air traffic control to perform the flight movement at a specific time and place within controlled airspace. Learning all these regulations, also not fun. Drone piloting has become a skill set in demand for which you will have to pay. Take, for example, this sweeping shot of Vancouver. It's a beautiful shot, but it flies straight through the Seaplane terminal. Small aircraft are moving through this area all the time. To fly a drone in this airspace, you will need the specialized services of an advanced drone pilot. There are a ton of other considerations, regulations, classes of airspace, meteorological considerations, and so on. Pages and pages of so on. The main takeaway is this. If you decide that you want an aerial shot in your video production, be sure to plan and budget for an appropriately licensed drone pilot. I'm Trevor Jansen with Staggering Media, and we'll see you in the next video.